Okay, what do I got? Well, I've been working on my trailer I got for my birthday, just trying to get it road ready, put all my window cleaning stuff on. And yeah, next project, I got the beast to work on. Yeah, a big 6x16 footer. That's going to take some work. But no, I'm not going to put window cleaning stuff on it. But could you imagine the water system I could put on that baby? Oh yeah. Anyway, so this is kind of what I got with the new tires that can capable of, well, they're about 1,000 a piece. Plus they go 65 miles an hour. I put a brand new axle on it, new springs, new tires, fixed up the body. Fixed that up. But what I got is, of course, I got me a huge carbon block. This is a carbon block, not GAC, but actually block carbon. Got a 4x20 here. Goes over into this box, which I have 2 quarter cubes. That's the dual bed. A Cashin tank and an anion tank. This puppy's been working now for almost 2 years. And it's just reaching 9. You make a hell of a lot of water using a dual bed versus a mixed bed and or a dual mixed bed. It's just science. It's just the way it is. I'm not going to go into it. It's too much science to explain why. But anyway, then I got the 3 quarter cube over here. Of course, big old box for all the goodies. Got to get a mount for my, I think it's 110 amp hour marine deep cycle to power the pumps. I got both pumps, the washdown pump and the 100 psi pump. One puts out 3.7 gallons, one puts out 1.5 gallons. That depends what I want to do that day. It's only a 25 gallon tank, but I do have a 35 gallon tank that'll also mount right in here to the trailer. And it's not going anywhere. Another box, quick tools. Of course, you got to have the gator hide. It's only 1/2 inch, but man, this is some tough stuff. 4 years I've had this yanking around construction sites. Haven't broke or popped it yet. And of course, some of my big main hose. Got a big 1-inch black water hose, and of course, some lighter hose I could just take walking around the house. So that's about 250 feet of tube right there. That's another 100. Got about 200 feet. Got hybrid, regular pressure tube. And yeah, I use the high flow. The high flow quick fits. The same thing I have on my poles. Just something simple like that. Plugs in, boom. But overall, yeah, this little puppy is, I've already taken it out a couple times and it's worked great. And then tucked up over here, I actually have the RO, a 440 RO right here, an Axiom HF5 in there. And then, when that brush is removed, this is where the transfer pump goes to boost up the RO pressure. Now, something I wanted to mention real quick is I've been getting a lot of questions. Okay. You notice this is the Q lock, the quick lock. To make it work properly, you need to have the female, which is this part here. It screws onto your brush. This is the block. Then the Q lock will snap into it. See, it snaps in. Now, of course, I have the Resi swivel neck. And what I did is I actually took me a while, but I put a rubber grommet on there to keep it from jackknifing. You still get your swivel, but you won't get the full cock left and right, which sucks when you're on the glass. Now, I have this is their overspray bar that you already have 2 fans on. See? And it's an adjustable, you adjust the angle and everything. And of course, I'm getting the black jets. See those red jets? I'm getting black ones. The black is 100 degree. They just came out with them, and I'm getting them in the next couple days. They're going to be awesome. versus the little ones. But anyway, some guys were asking, can I use a round adapter instead of the, do I have to buy the resi neck? Well, Euro might work. Now let me dig in my junk box real quick. Show you what I mean, if I can find it real quick. If not, I don't know if I have one available. Yeah, I do. So remember, it's square. So what you'll have to do is you will have to wrap something. If this goes into your brush, you'll have to wrap something right here to make up the difference between the internal square of that spray bar, the block itself. Now there is a thumb screw which will tighten onto it, but what I use is something like you can use like an old inner tube and wrap it around a couple times to make the diameter a little bigger and tighter, and then just use a thumb screw. See the thumb screw, the silver one, just tighten it down, it'll lock it on. So you don't have to have the Q lock, you just have to find a way to modify it. So right now that's what it looks like, and I still got room for my big ladder up top and all my my pole systems. They all fit right up there. All this gets shifted over, of course, but they all fit there. So no more lugging stuff around the Jeep all the time. Well, I guess that's about it. That is all.